What if I told you there's a place on Earth so strange, scientists call it the most alien place on our planet? That place is the Danakil Depression, one of the hottest, driest, and lowest places on Earth. Here, temperatures often go above 50 degrees Celsius. The land lies 100 to 120 meters below sea level, and the ground is covered with salt flats, colorful sulfur pools, and active volcanoes. People even call it the gateway to Earth's interior because the crust here is unbelievably thin. But this strange landscape isn't an accident. It sits inside the Afar Triangle, the only place on Earth where three tectonic plates are pulling away from each other at the same time: Arabian Plate, African Plate, Somali Plate. And this whole region is part of the East African Rift Valley, a giant tear running thousands of kilometers from the Red Sea to Mozambique. Think of it like stretching a piece of bread. Pull it slowly, and it cracks and opens up. Similarly, the land here is pulling apart bit by bit. As it widens, the ground sinks, breaks, and forms long valleys, deep cuts in the earth over millions of years in future. These cracks will grow so wide that seawater will eventually flow in. And when that happens, the Rift Valley will slowly fill with water and turn into a new ocean, just like the Red Sea formed millions of years ago. Right in the middle of this region lies Erta Ale, one of the most active volcanoes on Earth. Its name means smoking mountain. It's a shield volcano with two permanent lava lakes, the North Crater and the South Crater, something incredibly rare on our planet. Most eruptions here are gentle and effusive, which means basaltic lava quietly flows through cracks, spreading across black lava fields, forming hornitos, and lighting up the desert with glowing vents. And Erta Ale isn't alone. Nearby lies another sleeping giant, Hayli Gubbi. It stayed silent for nearly 12,000 years until recently. Its eruption sent a massive ash cloud 14 kilometers, 9 miles, into the sky. Here's what that means. A volcanic ash cloud is made of tiny, sharp particles of rock and glass blasted high into the air during an eruption. And these particles can travel extremely far. And due to strong upper level winds, the ash cloud traveled all the way towards South Asia. But there's nothing much to worry about. Meteorologists confirmed that the ash is in the upper troposphere, far above breathing level and far from affecting ground level weather. However, high in the sky, it became a problem for flights. International flights cruise at 35,000 to 40,000 feet. Domestic flights at 25,000 to 33,000 feet. And the ash cloud was sitting right in that zone, forcing some flights to change routes. Later, the IMD confirmed that strong upper air winds have now carried the ash cloud away from India. You know, Hayli Gubbi reminds us, potential is never lost, just waiting for its moment. So when someone asks, "Tayari kaisi hai?" don't just say it, live it.